Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier. Thank you as always for stopping by. I'm always grateful. Let me start with macro thoughts. I couldn't agree more with this particular interview by Santiago Fund's Brent Johnson about the dollar. And I agreed with him from the beginning of the year when I said the direction of the dollar is therefore pivotal. And at the beginning of the year, I was in a minority expecting the dollar to strengthen about 10% through 2019. Look at this. Money sent home by foreign workers to their home countries reached a record high of $529 billion in 2018 and dwarfed official development assistance. That's from the World Bank. And I've written about this severally, and remittances really are a silver bullet and a relatively recent 2-decade phenomenon. But this phenomenon has been accelerating quite considerably. You know, I was speaking about volatility. I wrote about it a long time ago when I was quoting Hotel California, mirrors on the ceiling, the pink champagne on ice. And I was saying a lot of risk calculations are based on value at risk. Essentially, you overlay a volatility measure over the portfolio and you calculate how much money is on the line. Central banks have been suppressing volatility. Therefore, in real terms, investors are now holding bigger positions at these current artificially suppressed levels. And therefore, I was writing then, some while ago, if volatility spikes, positions are going to be reduced en masse. And VIX is up 66% from just 10 days ago. Nomura, if you're short vol, you make money, but eventually die. If you're going long vol, you die before you make money. This is something that Taleb spoke about, that if you're long vol, 364 days, you lose money and you make money on one day, and it's whether you have the mental stamina to face those 364 days. Not many of us do. Bitcoin above 6,060 for the first time since November. It's been on a tremendous tear, and I think it's all about macro asset allocation, which happened, do you remember, that time when we burst through resistance and crossed 5,000? Of course, it's been a wild ride that took it above 19,000 in December 2017 and as low as 3,136 in December last year. What a buy that was. But at that time it was looking as if it was going all the way down to 1,000. Highest level in more than 6 months, and I think it's going higher.